The Hackspace was created to answer the question of what happens when a student has a great idea but doesn't have the resources or training to pursue it. Too often the most innovative student projects have been held back by the lack of training in cross-disciplinary maker-based technologies.
The facilities that we have at the Hackspace, they cover almost any form of prototyping, fabrication, engineering that you can think of.
We provide digital manufacturing workshop, supporting everything from coding to 3D printing, a woodwork and metal workshop, including the only space that you can learn to weld at Imperial College, and a fully fitted biochemistry lab that allows students, staff and SMEs to experiment, innovate and create the latest world-changing technology.
So the benefits of the Hackspace for students and staff are that it offers an unrivaled space within college where anyone can turn up with an idea and they can then get the experience that they need to achieve that.
I'm John, I'm the co-founder and CTO of FreshCheck, and we make colour change tests to detect contamination on surfaces. Started in Hackspace in 2015 though, and then grew from there since. Had Hackspace, where you're sharing everything. Then started with one lab bench, then 2, then 6, now our own lab over there in Scalespace.
The Hackstarter competition gives teams £500 to develop their concepts through the Hackspace, leading to a final where there is an opportunity to receive more funding to develop their projects further.
I'm Cinziana Foya, and PopCup is the alternative to the smear test. So I found out about the Hackstarter probably a few days after I had the idea, and I thought it was a perfect opportunity to have a go at it.
The Hackstarter was the first £500 we ever had towards doing anything whatsoever.
A big barrier to trying out your own idea is a lack of funding, because these things do require tools and materials. So the Hackstarter gave us the workspace, the lab space, the funding required to buy our first materials and actually try out and see if this idea was going to, fly.
My name is Fai, and I'm the founder of Gyro Gear. And what we do is that we're developing gloves to stabilize, hand trims for 200 million people around the world with Parkinson's disease and essential tremor. We have a team, we have a company, and we have, a brand new, entirely novel medical device that is out in the market. But that had to start from somewhere. In fact, nowhere actually. And when we were students, just being able to find a place to 3D print, to laser cut stuff, just being able to have that sort of locus where the entire team could come together and to be able to produce something that could really benefit people, that was what was so important of the Hackspace.
The Hackspace is going to provide a lot of support. The people here are amazing and they really want you to succeed. They will help you even with the bits that you're least confident about, and you will meet so many other people that are on the same journey as you, and that's probably one of the most valuable things about this space.
Use everything, ask every question, and there is someone who can help with everything, it seems. The Hackspace is so much more encompassing, even questions around is this even a patentable idea?
We have a team of people from a variety of different backgrounds and with a variety of different experiences. They can assist in any project that comes through the space.
We spent the last 6 to 7 years working on trying to make this as simple and as efficacious as possible for a difficult and very dynamic sort of biomechanical problem. Being good students of Imperial College, we had to be very systematic of how we actually approach the problem, right? And we found that the only sort of free-floating mechanical damper was basically your gyroscope. What we have here is the world's first and only medical device utilizing a mechanical gyroscope. And then what it does is that it just mechanically counteracts the hand tremors, as you can see.
Memories were made there. It was just fun it was a fun environment to be in. It's always a really interesting story and tapestry that's come out of being in the Hackspace.
Being in the Hackspace, where everyone is just so involved with their own projects and there's this collaborative spirit, and it's just really inspiring. It does make you want to get out of bed in the morning.
There's just too many things coming out now of Imperial. Like, it's all nice. I know, you can't keep track of them. Yeah, exactly. Oh, you're ambitious. Oh, God. Don't let your dreams be dreams, I guess.